Starting Tuesday, residents visiting the Environment Center will see the culmination of years of work to make it easier for residents to reduce, reuse, repair, and recycle. And most importantly, keeping hazardous materials out of our environment. They will experience an innovative one-stop center for environmental services, learning, and activities.
So creating this space where it's easy to drive through and drop off unused paint, house, and lawn chemicals, batteries, or electronics that no longer work are all part of our work in public health to prevent future harm to our health and the environment. It's also where our residents can come to prevent the waste of resources that can be reused and recycled by attending one of our Fix-It clinics or picking up free products in our reuse room.
The Environmental Center was built with sustainability in mind, literally from below ground on up. The fill used on the landscaping and grading includes chipped and reused road concrete and asphalt. The landscaping includes compost made from Ramsey County food scraps. And my favorite, the red brick pavers removed from University Avenue when they were building the Green Line were used to build the outdoor learning space patio. Below ground, we have a geothermal system along with solar panels on the roof. That will supply renewable energy for the heating and for the power within the center.
We have reciprocal use agreements with 6 other counties that enable Ramsey County residents to use their recycling and waste drop-off centers for free and vice versa.
Public health will continue to engage with community on the best use of these spaces to reduce waste, reuse, recycle, and promote environmental education.